glorious good morning to everybody. I'm Monica, final year MTCS from TSWRDC Budhwell. Today we are going to discuss about physics subject. Before going to my topic, let me show you a picture. What you are observing in that picture? Yes, nails are attracting to a material. What is that material? Yes, it is a metal. Today we are going to discuss about magnetic materials and their classification. Magnetic materials are those materials which are attracted or repelled when placed in an external magnetic field and can also be magnetized themselves.
These are the examples of magnetic materials. Magnetic materials are classified into 5 types: diamagnetic materials, paramagnetic materials, ferromagnetic materials, ferrimagnetic materials, and antiferromagnetic materials. Firstly, we will discuss about diamagnetic materials.
Diamagnetic materials are those materials which are repelled by the magnets. When placed in a magnetic field, they move from the stronger part to the weaker part of the field. And magnetic susceptibility is small and negative. And these materials are temperature independent.
Copper is an example of diamagnetic materials. Secondly, we will discuss about paramagnetic materials.
Paramagnetic materials are those materials which are attracted by the magnets. When these materials are placed in a magnetic field, they move from the weaker part to the stronger part of the field. And these materials are temperature independent. And magnetic susceptibility is small and positive.
Aluminium is an example of paramagnetic materials. Thirdly, we will discuss about ferromagnetic materials.
Ferromagnetic materials are those materials which are attracted by the magnets and can also be magnetized. Magnetic susceptibility is large and positive. These materials shows the properties of paramagnetic materials.
Cobalt is an example of ferromagnetic materials. Fourthly, we will discuss about ferrimagnetic materials.
Ferrimagnetic materials. These materials shows very large magnetization even for a small applied external field. Magnetic susceptibility is large and positive. And these materials are ferrimagnetic below the Curie temperature.
Magnetite is an example of ferrimagnetic materials. Finally, we'll discuss about antiferromagnetic materials.
Antiferromagnetic materials. These materials shows very little external magnetism. Magnetic susceptibility is small and positive. And these materials are antiferromagnetic below the Neel temperature.
Hematite is an example of antiferromagnetic materials. The picture represents the alignment of magnetic domains in the paramagnetic materials, diamagnetic materials, ferromagnetic materials, ferrimagnetic materials, and antiferromagnetic materials, respectively.
I thank our Secretary Sir, Joint Secretary Sir, and our college principal sir and teachers for providing these many opportunities for our Sweros, and thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity.